Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's video is non-mini content and actually something completely different. So we're about to embark on a long road trip down to Cornwall, taking the Skoda, obviously not the Mini, and I'm going to use a product on the windscreen and on the windows, see how it goes. I'm going to do a test on the drive now. It's called Rain-X Rain Repellent. I'm going to give that a go, see how good it is. I've heard loads of good reviews on it, so I'm going to show you now what this does, and I might even get some inside car footage on the way down to Cornwall, because it's going to rain. Let's be honest, it's definitely going to rain. So we'll be able to see how the product works in real time on the motorway. So let's start applying this right away. Now the windscreen has already been washed and dried, so that's good to go. I take the Rain-X product, I apply it using a microfiber cloth, work it in until there is no residue left over and no swirl marks whatsoever. Now I've done half the windscreen just so you can see the difference, and it's only when you put the water on the windscreen you can really see how well the Rain-X works with its hydrophobic coating. Now I've got the beautiful assistant here to spray the windscreen while I'm inside, pointing instructions just to show you both sides of it, and you can see it really does repel the water really well. I'm not sure how long it will last. That's something I could probably come back to at a later date, but for now on the driveway it's fantastic to see it actually working. Well, I'm quite impressed with this product already. Just from using it on the drive with the pressure washer, it really does work. So I can't wait to see how it does on the motorway. The roof box is on and I'm all ready for a massive drive down to Cornwall. Well, it didn't take long before the rain came down on the motorway, and I was so pleased that I'd applied the Rain-X product on the windscreen, because not only did I get good footage for this video, but it also really does work. It's absolutely fantastic. 10 out of 10 product. The way that the technology works, and the rain repels off the windscreen at speed on the motorway, and it really does improve driving visibility in these conditions. If you're watching this video, go out and buy yourself some Rain-X Rain Repellent and you will not be disappointed. I'll see you all on the next one.